So I've been in the trading education industry for a couple of years. The first thing you need to know is free webinars, free trainings, okay? So you scroll through Facebook and then you come across this advertisement. I will provide you a free training or free webinar where you learn one strategy or what strategy, okay? Yes, it is free, but at the end of it, expect that guru to sell you something. It can be a subscription to something, a signal, or they will sell you their course, which probably costs a few $1,000s. Some people sell it cheaper. Now, why am I telling you this? Because a lot of people, they expect, oh, this guru is gonna give everything for free. Then at the end, you feel betrayed. I've never felt so betrayed in my life. At the end, they sell you something, then you feel like you're cheated. Like you lure me in, you lure the fish in, then at the end of it, you eat it. Because trading education in itself is a business. So trading gurus, they don't run a charity, okay? So what trading gurus or any course seller need to do is they need to send people to a sales funnel. So a sales funnel looks something like this, okay? The free content that they provide is at the top to lure people in, okay? Because it's free, so people will come. Because if the first thing that they ask from you is, can you buy my course? Nobody's gonna buy. So trading gurus, they need to send people. In fact, they call it leads. In marketing, we call it leads, okay? They send leads to the top of this funnel. Then eventually, they channel it down to maybe cheaper products like books, okay? Because most people, they are not going to pay a few thousand upfront, right? So some people, they gradually send you down the funnel, the book for maybe $20+, then eventually they sell the course. When you're warm enough, they sell you the expensive course, okay? Because when you're on top here, you are a cold lead to them, meaning you're very paranoid. Oh my god, I don't know this person, I'm not gonna buy from him. So you're at the start of a relationship. You don't want to get married with that person yet. So that's why people need to warm you up, get to know you better, like take you on a date. When you get warmer and warmer, closer to them, then you buy more and more and more. A lot of gurus, speakers actually go and attend marketing workshops, boot camps, trainings. I've attended those myself. That's why I know all these things. I even have mentors for this. And in that workshop training are all speakers, gurus, okay? Then that guru of those gurus is going to teach us how to turn a cold lead, somebody who doesn't know you, to somebody who will buy your courses, buy your high-ticket items, okay? And there are strategies that people teach. Like for example, when you sell a course for $3,000, you don't be like upfront, okay, this course is $3,000. Nope, because it seems expensive. So what a lot of gurus are taught, doesn't matter, e-commerce guru, property investing guru, whatever that they are selling, okay? So in order to make it seem cheaper, my course is valued at $50,000. Maybe it really is, but this is used as a tactic to make you feel like that course is pretty cheap. My course, based on my experience, is very expensive because I'm expensive, but now I am a nice person today, so I need to what? Give you a discount, okay? Give you a discount. And the cost now is $10,000, but I'm extra nice today. If you take action today, not tomorrow, okay? Just today, you get the cost for $3,000. This is one of the tactics that cause people to buy right now. There's a sense of urgency. So there's a lot of tactics that gurus use to entice people to buy. Nothing more of that, because this is how the industry works. I used to study all this, learn all this for like 3 years, and also used to do all this course selling stuff. Then after 3 years, I'm like, I don't want to do it anymore, because like I love marketing, but I don't love it as much as investing and trading. So when I realized that after 3 years, why am I spending some of my time learning marketing, attending all these boot camps for gurus, boot camps for speakers, instead of attending a training on financial markets? And also personally, this is just my personal opinion, I don't like it when people hard sell me stuff. I like to go shopping, but I don't like it when people hard sell me all the time. So why would I go all out to hard sell people on my YouTube channel or on any workshops? You know what I'm saying? I mean, like, attending all those boot camps are nice. It's nice because I can see so many different speakers who teach different topics, e-commerce. Then some of them teach leadership courses, sales, then high ticket closing. Like, I get to meet all these people, learn about business. It's good, but I don't love it as much as learning about financial markets. You know, that's why I quit. So the next thing you need to know is that it's a sequence of upselling, okay? Certain gurus, I'm not gonna mention who, once you've bought that course a few $1,000s. At the end of that course, they are gonna upsell you again. Like, you bought that course for $3,000, right? At the end of that course, if you want one-on-one coaching, then it's another $10,000. And yeah, there are people who still buy. I used to do one-on-one coaching. Did it for 1 year. Zoom calls pays good money, but then I stopped. Because number one, I don't really like Zoom calls. Then number two, it takes time away from my trading. That's why I stopped. Even though it pays good money, and yet there are people calling me scam all the time. If I am a scam, I would spend all my time doing all these Zoom calls, webinars that pay so well. I only did one webinar this year. Then the rest I just push away. If I took up those webinars that people pay me to do, I can earn an extra 5 figures. And people don't see that. People don't see what I don't do. People don't see that. They only see what I do. Then they judge me based on that all the time. I mean, if the course works, okay, if the course works, then it is fine for the guru to charge like $3,000, $10,000 for their one-on-one coaching, right? Because I have friends who pay for one-on-one coaching, like $10,000 they just pay. Then it gives them results. They improve on their coaching, they get more sales, they get more customers, they get results. And also, one more thing, every guru has students that did not produce results. And at the same time, they also have students that produce results. Even personally for me, I've taken students when I was doing boot camps in Singapore, which I stopped in 2019. I have students that produce results consistently every month. And also I have a small group of students who don't produce results, and one of them even blamed me. I totally regret learning from you. But how come the other few top students, they are generating consistent profits? So is it your problem? Or that's why you see every guru, they have negative and positive reviews. But some people chose to believe only the negative reviews. Like, if you hate that guru a lot, all you see are the negative reviews. You wouldn't see the positive comments. In fact, a lot of people would say, this guru paid so many people to write all those positive comments. Of course, there are people who pay people to write positive reviews. Even companies do that. Certain companies do that. Certain brokers do that, okay? Because a lot of times when you're a complete clown, complete loser, when you lose money, they will blame the broker, blame the teacher. And oftentimes, those negative voices are louder, way more vocal than those negative voices. People like drama a lot. Then those who like drama, they get attracted. Then that's why there's a lot of gossip forums. You know what I'm saying? Those people just gossip for their own entertainment because their life sucks. All the positive things that the guru has done, they are going to ignore it. They are just going to pinpoint out those little things. Oh, this one student, out of the 100 people, lost money. He's a scam. So every guru has positive, negative reviews, just like how any business has positive, negative reviews. My favorite restaurants, they have tons of 5-star reviews, but at the same time, there are some people who get pissed off by small things. My favorite hotels, there are people complaining about it. This swimming pool water is too cold. Why is it so cold? Supposed to be hot like sauna. Then you should go to the sauna. Then like why are you swimming here? Like, you know how there are many different gurus who talk about different topics. There are certain niches, okay, where people are more competitive and cutthroat. Example, e-commerce, then trading, investing. There are certain speakers who are not happy that they have competitors. Then they are going to just make a video. This one, scam, 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 scam. Who is not a scam? Then they name their courses. That's the best thing. The best trading course, best signal in the world. Because they're the best. Okay, good. In my niche, trading, there was one speaker in Singapore. I'm not gonna mention who. Like, so childish. Go around different seminars, live seminars, to attack different speakers. To attack all my friends. Even sent people to my live workshop to bash me. Ironically, he doesn't even have a finance background. That's the funniest thing. And everybody else is a scam except for him. Funny, right? Because people are attacking each other sometimes, then there are bound to be negative reviews about them, which are written by their competitors. Because there are certain brokers, okay, businesses, their negative reviews are written by their competitors. Sometimes because what they say on stage may not be what they practice behind the scenes. Because when I first started out as a speaker, I was really young back then. There were a few speakers who preach leadership, being understanding, being kind to people, but then behind the scenes, they were rude to me. They were very rude to me because I was a nobody back then. Before I made content on YouTube, I was already a speaker. I was giving speeches in different events, okay? And before I became a speaker, I thought like, wow, all these speakers are so perfect. Until you go into that industry, then you realize how different certain people are. Like, things are not always perfect. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not as beautiful as what it seems like outside. Because, like I said just now, in certain niches, people are attacking each other. Like, behind the scenes. Like, I'm jealous of you, I'm comparing with you. Like, there's a lot more stuff that occurs behind the scenes, okay, that outsiders don't really see. So if you want more of this kind of videos, let me know, okay? So that you understand like why people do what they do, okay? Like when they offer you a free book, it's not really a free book, it's just to lure you in, make you love them more, so that they can eventually sell you a more expensive stuff. I'm sharing this with you just to let you understand why gurus do what they do. You know what I'm saying? So that you don't get confused. So that you know what goes on behind the scenes. You know what I'm saying? It's not to bash anybody. It's just how the industry is. Nothing wrong with that. Okay? And if you don't like people who sell you courses, books, then you can just figure out everything online. Okay? You know Bobby Fischer? He learned chess by himself. He didn't buy any course or anything like that. He didn't even have a mentor. Bobby Fischer, world #1 chess champion. You know what I'm saying? If he can do it, you can do it too. Alright, so with that, I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.